Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Your host, Golden Zulu. So today we have one interesting discussion under statistics, but specifically the sample mean. So when we are dealing with the sample mean, we need to understand one general aspect. This X bar is what is representing the sample mean. Then F, as we know, is the frequency, and M is what is referred to as the midpoint of X, where remember this midpoint, for it to come about, you need to have what is referred to as grouped data. So now that we have known to say for this M, for it to be known, we know to say we are dealing with the grouped data, we need to have what is referred to as the midpoints column so that we can find it together. So for you now to be able to find this midpoint, you will add 10 plus 14, you get your answer to be 24, and you divide 24 by 2, you get your answer to be 12. So immediately you have that. You also do the same for these other columns. 15 plus 19, you get your answer to be 34. 34 divided by 2, you get your answer to be 17. So when you do the same for the remaining columns, these will be your results. So these will be your results. We'll call this the midpoint of the audit time. So remember, FM is coming as a result of multiplication. So we have another column which we will call FM. So FM will come as a result when you multiply F times M. So we have 4 times 12, you get your result to be 48. 8 multiplied by 17, you get your result to be 136. 5 times 22, you get your result to be 110. You have 2 times 27, you get your answer to be 54. And 1 by 32, you get your answer to be 32. Then from here, we'll have the summation of the frequency midpoint column. So we'll add 48 plus 136 plus 110 plus 54 plus 32. And we get our answer to be 380. So the summation of FM is equal to 380. And we'll add the frequency column. So 4 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1, you get your result to be 20. Then we know to say that by definition, we have been asked to find the sample mean, where we have the data which we are from summing up. So the sample mean is given by the summation of FM over the frequency, where FM is 380 divided by 20. So 380 divided by 20, you get your outcome to be 19. So this is how you calculate the sample mean. Your host, Golden Zulu.